Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. I'm Yoga Guru Krishna. So guys, today we are also going to learn a new pranayama, and that's called only right nostril breathing. And in Hindi you can say Surya Vedan pranayama. So how we do it, all that thing, what is the major benefit and all that we will talk. But before, I want to request you, please, if you are watching first time video on my channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get more video updates. Now let's learn right nostril breathing or Surya Vedana pranayama. So how we do it? First I'll do it and you just see, and then we do it together. So as its name suggests, right nostril breathing, that's mean only right side breathe in and left side breathe out. That's only you have to do. But what is the proper position? Like how slow you will take breathe in and you hold it or not, and then breathe out everything. So let's do it with proper steps. So first, as you know, it's only right nostril breathe in. So your right hand should be in constant on your knee, and make this mudra Gyan mudra or knowledge mudra, and with right side with left side with left hand close your left side and breathe in from right nostril. Breathe in, slowly breathe in, and then close it and hold your breath for 5 seconds, and then slowly breathe out from left side. Again from right side breathe in. Now close again left side. Don't breathe in from left side, huh? Breathe in from right side only. Breathe in, and now breathe out from left side. Again, now breathe in, close and hold, and then again breathe out from left side only. So that's it. And this only you have to just breathe in from right side and breathe out from left side. That's it, nothing else. But this simple pranayam give you so much benefit. And but before that, let's talk how many times. So you should do it 3 to 5 minutes at least. And then now let's discuss the benefits. This right nostril breathing. First, when you're doing it from right side only, that's giving you body temperature high body temperature. If you're having low body temperature problem, then it's equal that. Again, you having any kind of cough or this issue, cough or cold, there is a cure that. Especially if you are having cough and cold, then do it at least 3 to 5 minutes, and it will help you to overcome that. When you're doing it, it also cure your sinus problem. And when you holding your breath, it gives so much pressure on your face, so it's stop your aging. Your skin always look young and you feel always young. It also give you good digestion system improvements. If you're having any issue regarding that, it's improve that, give you good immunity power. And the last one, if you're having any issue regarding mental illness, it's cure that. So that's all about the major benefit. And now let's talk about who should not do it. The only 1 or 2 person, one who's having knee issue, they just avoid it. High BP issue, they should avoid it. Otherwise everyone can do it. That's it all about today. If you have any kind of issue regarding to your health, then comment in comment section. I'll make a video on that. And now last, you also please subscribe this channel and share with everyone. That's all about today. Tomorrow we're going to learn something new, some new pranayam or maybe a new asana. Till then, bye bye.